Samsung announces first smartphone chip with AMD ray tracing GPU. The Galaxy S22 could use AMD's RDNA 2 graphics tech. I have heard about this. Increasingly, smartphones become the gaming platform for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Exynos 2200 new in-house mobile processor for smartphones. First mobile system on a chip to include a GPU with AMD's RDNA 2 graphics architecture, enabling hardware accelerated ray tracing. Ray tracing on your phone.
Yeah, I still can't believe that.
You're not going to believe it till you see it. You want it in your hands. You'd be like, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Well, it's true because it's been a lot of talk about ray tracing and then not so much experiencing. You know what I mean? It's requiring so much
computation
resource
power
to be able to effectively experience and enjoy it while still keeping your frame rates going. And
battery. That's an issue.
Battery will be interesting.
Yeah.
The collaboration with AMD has long been in the making. The two companies first announced a licensing deal in 2019. Then AMD confirmed last year that Samsung's next flagship mobile SoC would use RDNA 2. Samsung recently teased an announcement event. Who knows, man? Maybe if the Exynos is able to step up and increase its performance, then maybe people are going to be less upset when their region gets stuck with the Exynos chip on the S22 instead of the Snapdragon chip.
And maybe this is like the first time Samsung can really push their gaming smartphones somehow.
Lean into the gaming even more so. It's possible. Yeah, I mean, if it's true, they're going to be talking about at the event, upcoming event, right?
Yeah.